Today in Whiteside's garage, I'm going to show you how to install a Fleximount folding shelf. The company that makes these Fleximount sent me a couple of these to try out for them, so we're going to put them together, hang them up, and see how I like them. We're not going to do an unboxing because they're shelves. So there's that. We're done with that. Now I have a kind of unique situation on my wall because my studs run this way, not vertically. They run horizontally. So I had to add a couple boards to the wall in order to mount the shelves. Plus, there's ribs in the wall that stick out 3/4 of an inch, and I don't think the shelves would hook in or fold down well. So I added a couple pieces of 1x3 board here to hook them to. So we're going to screw the shelves. They're going to still screw into the stud, but they're going to go through this board into the horizontal stud. So. All right, they give you a template for if you have vertical wall studs. You have a template for 12, 16, 18, and 24-inch spacing. We don't really need the spacing, but I do need this spacing, the vertical spacing for the holes. So we use their template on our boards, but we ain't got to worry about the spacing. So we'll put it up. We'll level it with our handy dandy little level. Mark those holes. Now I'm going to hang the brackets next. I got to pre-drill the holes for the brackets and then put the brackets up. The drill is 180 thousandths, a 0.18 drill to drill the holes. Fleximount includes a socket right in the packaging for the bolts. A socket and a L wrench for assembling these shelves. You put the L wrench through the socket and you turn it, and that's how you tighten the bolts. But since I failed patience in kindergarten, I'm going to use an impact wrench. It's number E. This is where you use the hex wrench. Put them in there and snug them up, and the wall brackets are on. Now we got to assemble the shelf. The shelves are held together with screw D, as in David. Get the screws out. The shelves actually have a little button right here. It just clips right into the end bracket, but not that end bracket, this end bracket, the one with the holes in it. So the shelf slips in, just clips into the end bracket. You do that, the 3 center shelves clip in, like so. And this end goes on here. You have 2 end bars for the shelves, the outside and the inside towards the wall and away from the wall. They don't have any of the clip-in pins on them. They actually bolt into the shelf. That's your assembled shelf. It fits on the top of the brackets and then tucks into there's a small notch in the back. It tucks in the notch. And you center it up on your brackets. And there's 2 bolts, 2 safety bolts that go out here. And there's actually a clamp bracket that goes in here. Here's the clamp brackets. And the clamp brackets go back against the wall between the first 2 bars on your shelf. And they get held on with bolt G. They get held on with the bolts G and the nut H. This bolt has a square underneath that fits down in the top of the clamp bracket. Take your handy little supplied socket, tighten them up. So we got the Fleximount shelves all up and bolted on, assembled. The whole process only took me maybe a half an hour to do everything. And I loaded it down with my stuff. I loaded it down with some stuff that I use for my race car, because in the summertime, I use this bay for my race car. When I come home from the races, I got to unload everything off my trailer so it doesn't get wet in the rain, and load it on this shelf. So this is going to work out really well. I've got it loaded down pretty well. 2 batteries, some axles. I probably have 150 pounds worth of parts on this shelf, and it's not even moving at all. It's very sturdy. So the Fleximount WR24BFD V2 from Fleximount. They sent me this to test out for them. Just please follow a link in the description to order a set of these shelves for your shop. I think you'll be happy with them. Okay, we put them up, we loaded them. Now I'm going to show you how they fold down against the wall. You just take these pins out. The shelves fold right down. And when they're folded down, they're only 4 inches from the wall. So they fold within 4 inches from the wall. It's really out of the way. So when I pull my summer car in here in the winter time, I can pull it right up next to the wall and keep room in my shop for my other projects. And we'll see you guys next time on Whiteside's Garage.